Alright guys, so we are starting this video feeling fresh. I've had a haircut, had a beard trim. We've got all the parts for a, well, not a full service, but a minor service on the 335. We've got spark plugs, we've got oil filter. We are going to be getting them done in today's video and just checking a few other little things. I think the idle is a little bit rough on this, and I think that's to do with the spark plug, so we're going to be looking at that, making sure everything seems okay, and yeah, just giving it a little bit of a spruce up, a little bit of a service for itself, ready for me to boot the shit out of it. No, I'm joking, I'm not going to do that, not yet. Alright guys, so my batteries are absolutely wank on this camera, so I've now just pulled up at home, and I'm going to stick the batteries on charge, and we're going to get the car up on drive on ramps, hopefully, which, as long as they're still there, yeah, a little drive on ramps. We're going to get it up on drive on ramps and do the oil change at home. What's the point in having all this driveway space with a little cat? Something we are going to need, because there is no way my car is going to drive up on that ramp without destroying the bumper. Alright, so guys, I may have misjudged this, because I don't think I've given myself enough room. I think I'm going to have to get it off and send the car again. While we're here and the car is warm, I'm going to give you a little bit of a sound clip. This driveway is possibly the worst driveway to lay on. Look at the size of them stones. So, I'm going to go inside and try and find myself a big old bit of cardboard to lay on. Knew I had it somewhere. I kept this for a reason, and I'm pretty sure it's covered in oil on the other side. Yeah. Because of oil change that I did a while ago. So that will fit under there perfectly. Perfect. Got the oh, let me just pop that. Oh no, I broke up. Anyway, on to the next. Got the old Halford's spark plug, Halford's toolbox kit with the spark plugs, sockets and stuff. And yes, I did let it warm up because I want it to drain out fully, and I still want it to be a little bit warm, so I don't have to keep the engine running for ages to be able to check the electronic dipstick, because I'm pretty sure when I first picked this car up I did have a look for it and I couldn't find it. Generally they are hidden away, but I'm pretty sure these ones don't have dipsticks. They're all electronic on the dash. so I want to make sure I've got everything correct, and everything like that. Don't think I have the oil filter one. Fuck. Anywho. Alright guys, so I remembered I had this tool, which is, I'm pretty sure it's used for stuff like this. It's adjustable, and what you do is you just you just literally put it around whatever you want to undo, tighten it up, and then hopefully that rubber grips it enough to undo it. Yes! Cool. That's a bloody... I was never going to do that with my hands. Easy go. Oh, we need to undo this too. Undo that. Let all the oil drop out of that. I just realised I'm sitting here getting notifications and stuff, and I just realised that my previous video that you guys should have already watched, you know, it's just gone live. Completely forgot about that. Now I need to figure out whether the under tray is going to have to come off or not. I'm going to have to get the under tray off, I think. Oh, right. This should just come out here, slide back and come out. Almost took you guys out. Alright guys, so while that is draining underneath, I am gonna try and get all of this off really quickly, get that out of the way so we can get the beauty cover off, figure all that out, get the beauty cover off so we can get to the spark plugs to swap them out. So I'm going to do that while that's draining under there. Let's do it now. Alright guys, that's now all out of the way. I've just got to get this hex bolt here, and then a hex bolt here. Is all I can see, and then I think that all just comes out of the way. I just got to figure out how this comes off. Well, I can see why it's a beauty cover. Let's stay at that. And there was also another hex bolt right down here holding that beauty cover on, so there was four. There was one up there, one down there, one up front, and another one up front. So alright guys, so it's a no-go on changing the spark plugs today, just because you need a really thin socket to get in there, and you need a special socket to go on the spark plugs, which I don't have. I don't even think I have it at work, so it might be something I have to order online. What I am learning about these 335s are the 335i is you need a lot of bloody tools to be able to do anything. Oh, I had a heart attack then. I thought I left my keys indoors. Oh, alright, so it's time to clean this mess up under here, I suppose. Alright, so got my little funnel with my filter in it as well. It's got a filter in it and everything. And let's get pouring. So this should be measured exactly. This should be exactly 6.5 litres in here. Oh shit and hell. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why can't anything ever go to plan? Or just keep pouring. Fuck off. Fuck. We have not forgot about the oil filter. I was just waiting until last minute to get that out because it's going to make a mess. And I've got a bag for it. If the bag would... This car's already doing my head in today, I don't know if you can tell. Filter. Right, well I think that is as tight as that's gonna go. Now what I'm gonna do is start it up, check the oil underneath the car, make sure there's no leaks, and get the under tray back on. Alright guys, so we've got a little bit of smoky going on. We all know what that's from. Everything seems to be fine, no leaks, nothing around the oil filter housing, nothing underneath. So back on with the under tray and back on the floor we go to measure the oil. I'm gonna do that now. I'm hoping that that's all gonna dry out in the sun, fingers crossed. The car was definitely due an oil and oil filter change. That oil that came out of it wasn't the best. I don't have any history or well, I might have some history, but I'm not entirely sure when the last oil filter would changed, so that's why I wanted to do it. And I always do it with a new car anyway, just because it gives me peace of mind. And the cat is now on the cardboard playing with the oil. Lovely. Yeah, it just gives me peace of mind, and I am going to get them spark plugs done either Monday or Tuesday. I just need to figure out the tool to get them out. But other than that, I think we're all done here. I'm just literally going to get that under tray back on and make sure the oil level's okay, and if everything's good, just crack on with it. Go about my day. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.